దగ్గరకు వస్తే చెప్పండి నేను చదివితే వీపుగా
This one is looks a little different than the last time I was here. Might be true. Everybody ready?
Ready? Yes.
Okay.
Please, ready, sir. Camera straight ga చూస్తే కొద్దిగా వెనక పోతే బాగా అందరూ అన్న వైట్ రండి అన్న
Thank you.
రెడీ అన్న ఓకే అన్న రెడీ అన్న ముందు సార్ సోయిందా थोड़ा पीछे कर थोड़ा पीछे यार sir ना thank you thanks guys thank you
It's really a tremendous treat to be here this morning. This is actually my third visit to the Qutb Shahi tombs, and to be here with Ratish Nanda, the head of the Aga Khan Foundation, and I want to thank the government of Telangana, the Aga Khan Foundation, and the U.S. mission for the work we've done together here in restoration. This is our second Ambassadors Fund for Cultural Preservation Restoration project. Our first was in 2014, and I am so pleased. I was here about a year ago to visit these two tombs of Taramati and Premamati, and it's tremendous what the progress has been, and it's so important for the United States to help restore the cultural heritage of India, and particularly this part of India. We've had 3 Ambassadors Fund grants over the years. We are applying for more, and I'm delighted to be here to mark the completion of this project, which looks so beautiful today. As some of you may have been here when I was last at this site. It's progressed tremendously. So thank you all very much for the warm welcome.
New building what is the plan?
Excuse me?
Next program is the new building.
Well, we've applied for another grant, but until we get it, I'm always superstitious and don't want to talk about it. But we've worked in.
He's talking about your new consulate office.
Oh, what? Oh, the new consulate. I thought you meant the new grant. Okay. Yeah, I'm also here to do the topping out of our new consulate compound in Hyderabad. We've been here for 10 years, but we have now a new building that will have many more windows for doing passports and visas, and I think will be a great site for our team, and I'm delighted to be at the ceremony later today.
How many windows is the visa?
54.
It's going to go to 54, right, which is up from 15 to 54. So that will even further enhance the facilities for granting visas and passports.
Complete the building.
Excuse me?
When will complete?
When we will complete it, hopefully by the end of 2021 is when we look to be occupying it. So still a little ways away, but we're having the topping out ceremony today. And tremendous progress.
Thank you.
Thank you all very much for being here. Appreciate it.